Hello there, my name is Philaxty, and this is another tutorial video. I've noticed that the Technic Launcher has been getting like less and less popular, and it's kind of bothered me that I've encountered problems before, and then I look them up and I find them like in 2015 and started in 2019. So this is just going to be a video on a more recent one of those videos. So when people look that up, they're not going to find some old stuff, and they're going to find something that they can trust. I'm also going to show you two of the most common problems that people can come over when after they get the Technic Launcher. Just to add in some bonus. So here's my Norton Safe search that I'm searching on. This is an amazing search engine. So what you're going to do first is you're going to look up Technic Launcher. Alright, there you go. You're gonna go to download Technic Launcher, and it's actually one of the most simple downloads I've ever had. You go down, and you see something right here. It says time to get started, and you're gonna get Windows, Mac, OS X, and Linux. If you have a Linux computer, get the Linux one. Mac, get the Mac one. And Windows, get the Windows one. I have a Windows, so I'm going to click on that. I already have it, but I'm just going to do it to show you. It's going to say that. Save the file. So what you're going to do next is you're going to go to your files, and then go down to your downloads, and it should be right here. You just click on that, double click it twice, and then it should ask you to install it like standard install, and then there's portable mode. If you want to download this to a port so you could like store all your data somewhere else other than your computer, so you could like maybe take the drive and then put it inside another computer, you could do that. But I recommend just standard install. It gave me less problems. So we're going to install this. It doesn't take too long. This pops up right here in the middle of your screen, and then sooner or later it should download. Alright, it just finished downloading. The symbol popped up again. And here is my Mojang account. So I'm just going to move this out of screen so you don't see my account data. But I'm just going to type it in. Never mind, you wouldn't be able to see it anyways because literally it's completely blocked. But don't send any emails to this email. Actually, yes, please do send all your emails to this email right here. That would be hilarious. But I'm going to press the remember account because I obviously want it to remember me. And then it's going to bring this up, and that's when I can stop this recording because I need to record this recording. So yeah. Alright. So here is your Technic Launcher. So what you're going to do to get mod packs, you're just going to literally search anything up. That's not going to get anything, but I mean anything up like demons. And then you get a whole bunch of mods on demons, and this is like such a great, such a great and reliable like mod pack launcher. This is actually my favorite like mod pack of all time is Craft Test Your Demons, but I'm not really gonna get into that. I might do a video on it later. But some of the problems that you might have with the Technic Launcher is a lot of the mods you might not be able to play in the beginning because you've only downloaded 32-bit and you need to download 64. If you're on only 32-bit right here, you only get 1 GB of memory or less. And to actually run a mod pack, you have to have, or most mod packs, you have to have at least 3 GB of RAM. Now don't worry, it's not gonna like take up all that space. Like, I mean it will, but RAM is RAM, and it's basically just temporary information, and you don't really use very much of it on your computer anyways, unless you're like running some other thing, but you're probably not going to, you know. I'm going to go back to my search engine to get the 64 GB thing. I'm back at my browser now. There's a link in the description below for this website. It's like an Oracle thing. It's approved by Java, so don't be nervous. And what you're going to do is you're going to go down, and you're going to click on the Windows 64, and and then sorry, I must accept the user license. Okay, so you gotta click on this button right here. You're gonna save the file, and then it should save. I'm not gonna save it because I already have it. I don't want 2 copies of 64-bit. But what should happen next is you should be able to go to your downloads again, right here, and click on the 64 thing. It should ask you to change if you want to change your system, and you click yes, and it will give you the 64. It will give you a 64-bit computer, and that's really handy, you know. And then once you do that, you should be free to go on most modpacks. There's one other thing that can happen if you are on the Technic Launcher for a long period of time. It's not because of your Wi-Fi connection or anything. Like, don't worry. Like, you might look up something and it won't come up with anything, even though you looked it up 10 seconds ago. And I'm not actually sure what that is, but it's not permanent or anything. All you have to do is wait 30 minutes. I know it's a long time nowadays, but you just have to wait 30 minutes. And then it should be back to normal. If it's not, just wait longer. Just have patience, you know. It will come back sooner or later. Just be sure to download some mod packs while it's working, because I mean it is old. It is an old program, so it hasn't had an update in a while. So it's bound to have some bugs. So yeah, this is your modern tutorial on the Technic Launcher. Have fun, and please play Craft Sector Demons. This is for advertising for you because it's a freaking amazing mod pack. Anyways, if you like this video, comment down below, and if it helped you, comment down below. Obviously, like the video and subscribe, please. And see you later, guys.